Alright folks, this is a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe. Two-wheel drive. So the customer complaint here is that when you're driving around, every once in a while, you hear like a flapping noise, like a zoom, 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 zoom. I couldn't get it to duplicate, but it's definitely coming from the rear, customer states. So I want to show you what we're going to be looking into. Now watch what happens. I'm going to put the valve stem on the bottom as a guide. I'm going to show you something. I am going to spin this tire with my foot. Let's count how many revolutions that valve stem is going to come around. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3 and a half. Now let's go to the back. To the driver's side. Ready? Same thing, okay? 1 and a half. Did you see that? Just in case you didn't see it, I'll do it again. Ready? Do it a little harder. 1 and a half. Okay? So something's binding in this wheel. I'm going to show you something on this side. On this side, okay, you can see the caliper. You can see the condition of the rotor. Okay, you can see it. It's a little gouged. Okay, but it's not that bad. But it spins pretty freely. Okay, and watch. You can grab this brake caliper here, and you can't get it to move. Okay, you can't get it to slide, move. This is on there tight, like it's supposed to. Watch what happens when we come to this side. On this side, I'm going to grab this caliper for you. Hang on a second. Now check out this caliper. See if you could see it over here. See a little shine, a little sun on it, so you can tell. Okay. Can you tell with the sun? Can't tell, but look. The caliper moves, which is something wrong there. Okay, it shouldn't be moving. And if you look on the rotor, let's see here. Right there. There's a spot on that rotor that's all chewed up. Let me see if I can get a flashlight to show you. Alright, so a little my flashlight here. I'm gonna show you. See that? That's one spot right there on that rotor that's eaten up. It's not anywhere else. Okay? The rotor's got these regular gouge marks from wearing out. Okay? But when it gets to this spot, see it? So that explains that whenever the wheel turns around and hits that spot in the brake caliper, it makes that noise. I'm not sure if I'd be able to spin it right now and see if you can get some kind of a noise. But that's most likely the problem. Let me see here. Can you hear it? Every time it hits that spot. Alright, so we're going to take this wheel off and find out why this is binding. Might be a bad caliper. Might be the hardware in there. It's all messed up. Alright. Alright. We'll see you in part 2 when I take this apart. Bye.